So I am basically using Java language, so you should know the basic concepts like if else condition, for loops, so to understand this code. So basically I have created one main method, and let's see what is prime number. A number divisible by only one and number itself is called as a prime number. For example, if a 5 is divisible by 1 and the number 5 itself, so we know that 5 is divisible by only 5 and 1, so this is also called as a prime number. So there is a list of prime numbers like 2, 3, 5. Why 4 is not a prime number? Because it is also divisible by 2. So number should be divisible by 1 or the number itself, so then that number is referred as a prime number. So let's write a code to find out the prime number, how to check whether the given number is prime number. We will write the code for it. So now we have taken integer num variable is equal to, let's start with the example 101. So we will check whether 101 is a prime number or not. Then we have taken another integer variable count is equal to 0. Then we have used for loop for int I is equal to 2. Why I have taken 2? Because we have to check condition from so we know that it's already divisible by 1, so we have to check from number 2 till the number which is less than 101. So the here we have taken I is less than num, so which means I till it will check from 2 to 100. So if that in between the number is divisible, then it will increase the count here. So I will explain you how it works. So it's I plus plus. So in the if condition I have taken num. What is num? Num is 101. Modulus I. What is modulus I? It basically gives the remainder. So if 2 modulus 2, then it will be 0, so we will get 0 remainder. If 3 modulus 2, then we will get the remainder as 1. For example, 3 modulus 2, so we will get remainder as 1. So the remainder we will get here. If the remainder is equal to 0, then it will increase the count, which means the number is completely divisible by the between these from 2 to the number less than the given number. So we have to find, so we are checking that condition in the this if condition. So if the number is divisible by any of the number between 2 to 100, then it will increase the count. And so if the count increases, then we can verify here in if condition, if count is equal to 0, which means here the condition is not satisfied and the count is 0, that is we have initialized initially. If the count is 0, then which means given number is a prime number, so it is not divisible between 2 to 100. It's not divisible, so it's referred as a prime number. And in the else condition, if the count is greater than 0, which means it's a given number is not a prime number, and we will print it here, the given number. And if the count is equal to 0, then it's a given number is a prime number. Yeah, that's about the code. Let's check whether the written code is correct or not. I am executing the code. Yeah, given number is a prime number because it's not divisible by any of the number between 2 to 100. So let's change the number. Let's see 100. We know that it's divisible by 2, then 25. So multiple numbers are there. So it's not a prime number. Again, let's check for something known number, like we know that 5 is a prime number. So let's see, it prints correctly. 5 is a prime number. Yeah, so the code is working fine. So this is how we will write the code to check the given number is prime or not. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.